In this video, we'll look at how to reuse questions from one product to create another. This is helpful if you want to create a product that's a subset of another product. For example, a macroeconomics product that's created from a larger principles of economics product. It's also helpful if you want to augment an existing product with additional content to create a custom deliverable. When we're reusing the content, we're going to keep the questions linked. The benefit of this is that if we edit a question in one product, the changes will automatically be made in the other products that share the content. For this video, I have an astronomy survey textbook. It contains chapters on each of the planets in our solar system. I want to use that content to create a new product that focuses exclusively on the planets. Here are the chapters in the survey textbook. For my new book, I want to use questions from the first chapter and chapters 4 through 11. So I want to create sets in the planets book and pull questions from the corresponding chapters in the survey product. I've moved over to the Content Manager section. I've already created the planets product, but I haven't created the question sets yet. Let's open the product so we can do that. I could create the chapter question sets one by one by clicking New, and then clicking Question Set. But since I know I need 9 sets that all begin with a chapter number, there's a faster way to create the sets. I'll start by clicking Details to open the Product Details dialog box. In the Product Details dialog box, we'll click Content. From this tab, we can auto-generate question sets and tests. I'm going to select Auto-Generate Empty Sets. I'll change the number of sets to 9. Since I want all the set names to start with the word chapter and the chapter number, I'll type chapter in the question set titles field. The system will automatically add the chapter number for me. I'll click OK to generate the question sets. Now I can edit each set and add the rest of the chapter title. I've added the rest of the set titles. Now we can go back to the test generator and add the questions to the new sets. The final step is to add the questions from the survey product to the corresponding sets in the planets product using the Add to Current feature. Let's start by opening the first chapter in the planets product. We can see that there are currently no questions in the set. I'm going to expand the first chapter of the survey set. And we should notice that the questions all have green spheres next to them. Now I'll right-click the set and select Add to Current. Notice that the questions in the survey chapter are now grayed out, letting us know that they're linked to the set that is open. We can also check where a question is used by clicking the pencil menu next to the question, and then selecting References. We can see that this question is in Chapter 1 in both the survey and the planets products. Now let's add questions to the Mercury chapter. In the survey product, that's Chapter 4. In the planets product, it's Chapter 2. So let's open Chapter 2 in the planets product. With the empty set open, we'll right-click Chapter 4 in the survey product and select Add to Current. Now we have the questions from the Mercury chapter added and linked. To finish, we just need to repeat these steps for the remaining chapters in the planets product. One of the benefits of linking questions is that when you make a change in one location, the linked question is updated everywhere else it exists. Let's suppose that an instructor finds an error in the first question in the Mercury chapter of the planets product. Since the questions exist in both products and are linked, if we make the change to the question in the planets product, it will also be updated in the survey product. Let's double-click the question and make a change. To make the change easy to see, I'm just going to make the word planet bold, and then click OK to save the question. Now let's open the Mercury chapter in the survey product. Notice that my change appears here as well. And that's how you can reuse existing questions to create new products.